Hi friends, I am Anumant. In this video, we will discuss about what is cyclic group. Cyclic group, okay, cyclic group, okay. I am taking here G is a group with respect to binary operation circle, okay. This group is said to be a cyclic group. Definition of the cyclic group is so I'm arising. So when you are need, you write. So I am taking here. Suppose there exists definition of the cyclic group. Okay, so there exists x belongs to G. Okay, x belongs to G. Okay, such that there exists x belongs to G, such that every every element, okay, every element of G is generated by generated generated by x. Okay, so every element of every element of G, every element of G is generated by x. It means, so it is simply denoted by, it is simply denoted by G is generated by x. It is denoted by like this. Okay, so it means every element of G, every element of G is generated by x. Okay, suppose this is denoted by, suppose this group is generated by, suppose this group is generated by x with respect to multiplication, then this it becomes like this. So G is equal to a power n. Okay, here n belongs to where? Z. Okay, when this is with respect to multiplication. Okay, when if G is generated by with respect to x, okay, with respect to G is generated by x with respect to addition. Okay, this case is when with respect to addition. Okay, then this set is equal to n a. Okay, here n belongs to where? Z. Okay, this is when with respect to multiplication. So here G is, sorry, here, sorry, here x, here G is generated by x, right? So generated by x with respect to multiplication, this is equal to x power n. Okay, here n belongs to where? Integers. Okay, when, when here also x. So when G is generated by x with respect to addition, so this is this set is equal to this one. Okay, so for example we take actually I'm forget one thing. When G is generated by x, okay, here x not equal to identity element in G. Okay, so you have to remember it. Okay, if you take identity element, it's generate every element of G. So it's, so we are take E is equal, x is equal to not identity element. Okay, so you have to remember it. So I'm erasing it. I'm taking one example. Suppose I'm G taking plus or minus 1 and plus or minus I. Okay, I'm taking this group. This group is this is a group with respect to what? Multiplication. Okay, this is a group with respect to multiplication. Now I want to check this is a cyclic group or not, right? So I am taking here some x is equal to I. Okay, x is equal to I. So now I want to check this I is generate every element of G or not. I have to check now. Okay, so so this is a multiplication, right? This is a group with respect to multiplication, right? So its powers like I power n. So I power n generates every element of G. So then we say that I is, okay, then we say that I is generate every element of G. Okay, so we check now. I'm erasing it. Okay, I'm erasing it. So now I'm checking. I power 1 what I power 1 what I. Okay, I square what minus 1. Okay, I cube what I square into I, so what minus I. Okay, so I power 4 what I power 4 I square into I square minus 1 into minus 1 1. Okay, so I power 5 what 1 into I, so I get again I, so I get again I, so I get again I. Okay, so when I am increase the power, uh, I power n, then I get again same element. Suppose n is equal to 5, I get I. Suppose I is equal to 6, n is equal to 6, then I get minus 1. I power 7, then I get minus I power 8, I get 1. So when I am increase the n, then I get again those elements. So from this g is from this g is generated by I. So here g is equal to what, plus or minus 1 and plus or minus I. So this is a cyclic group. So again you take minus I, so minus I also generator of this group. Okay, so g is equal to plus or minus 1 plus or minus I with respect to multiplication. G is a cyclic group. Another example is I am taking here g is equal to integers. Okay, with respect to addition, this integer set is group. So this is a cyclic group. Why? Because this g is generated by minus 1 and 1. Okay, so this is generated by minus 1 and 1. So this is a group with respect to place, right? So this is in the form, so n into 1 or minus 1, I am taking 1 here. So n belongs to where? Z. So I am taking here n, so integer set. So here n is a integer set, n is a integer. So when I am multiply with integer with 1, I get same element integer n. So this one is generates every element of z. Okay, so similarly minus 1 also generates every element of z. So this is a group. Okay, with respect to this is a cyclic group with respect to addition. Okay, its generators are minus 1 and 1. So another example is I am taking here h is equal to plus minus 1 and 1. Okay, this is a group with respect to what, multiplication. So I am taking here here in this group what is identity element? 1, right? So in this group what is identity element? 1, right? So identity element is 1. So I don't want to take identity element, I want to take except another element. So here I am taking here x is equal to minus 1. So I want to check now this group, the minus 1 is a generator or not for this group. So minus 1 whole power 1. Why? Because here multiplication, right? So whole power 1, what I get? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, what I get? 1. Okay, I get minus 1 and 1. So this minus 1 is a generator for this group. Suppose I take minus 1 whole cube, what I get? Sorry, here minus 1, right? So minus 1 whole cube, so what I get? Minus 1. So I get same element again, right? So here h is generated by minus 1. So this is the definition of the cyclic group and example of cyclic group. So you take any group with respect to that binary operation, take any non-identity element with respect to that binary operation. So you check it's that element generates every element or not. So this is the process. You have to check one group is cyclic or not. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you.